My name is Dr. N. Srinivasan Shastri. I am a retired bank employee. I have been practicing astrology and numerology since 38 years. My way of numerology is unique. I will tell you why I am calling it as unique. My way of astrology is also Naadi system of astrology, not the general system wherein lagna is taken into consideration. First, let me tell you about the numerology. I call numerology as unique because till now on the web, on the sites, wherever you go, you'll find numerologists talking about numbers 1 to 9, and they give only the character reading. Very rarely I have seen people telling about the predictions or in the details of a date of birth, complete date of birth. I am calling numerology as a unique system which I am using because I split the date of birth into three parts: date, month, and year. For me, I have learned the art of knowing the characters to the date, telling about the spouse, compatibility in marital life, siblings in that house, profession of that person, family, this house structure, and the direction from where the spouse is going to come. All these things can be traced out from month. Till now, nowhere I have seen anybody written on months. To be frank, I was the only one person where I have touched the months. There may be people, but they have not come to light. And about the year, you can tell that the lifestyle of a person. We have also got an astrological chart like chart for numerology also, wherein you will have 9 boxes, 3 boxes in a row, 3 rows. With this, you can easily tell about a person in detail. This is what I teach everybody. This is what I tell everybody. Now, in the next part, let us talk about astrology, the Naadi system of astrology. Here, even in this system, unlike astrology with the ascendant, I don't take into consideration the ascendant. I don't see Dasa Bukti for timing of events, but still we can predict precisely just by the Rasi chart, not even Navamsha. I take into consideration only the Jupiter, placement of Jupiter and placement of other planets, significance of the planets according to their placements. This is more than enough to answer 144 questions for one single birth chart. This is why I call it as unique here. Of course, I am also like every other astrologer, telling you about things, but unless and until you see for yourself how it comes, you can learn the techniques. I want to give it to the people who love this astrology and numerology, and I am presenting it in a different mode, or I will be giving them in a different style, in a different dimension, so that prediction is important here for every astrologer. The precise way of predicting things, no matter whichever path you choose, but still precise prediction is the only outcome where you can find in this unique numerology and Nadi astrology. Of course, my numerology is called unique. I named it as unique because it is totally separate. It is same numerology, but in addition to the numbers, we are taking months and year into consideration, and the type of predictions will be, or the way of predictions will be totally different. This is what I am going to teach the people or tell the people. Thanks to all of you for giving me this opportunity of speaking these little few words about numerology and astrology. Of course, I'll be back with you all with more number of numerology videos wherein you can just learn by yourselves. If you got any doubts, you can just come into my website You have a peep into my website, or you can mail me about your queries. You will get your answers. Rectification part of it is also there, but let us learn first. Rectification is the secondary part. If we are precise in predicting, we are half done. This is what I want everybody to learn, because it is an easy and totally a different system. So it will be easier for all the lovers of astrology to know things very easily and precisely. Again, I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for your time and your patience listening to me till now. Namaste.